Hello Time Savers family, welcome to part 2 of our video series on preventative maintenance and most frequently asked questions. Today's video is going to be how to change an abrasive belt. Today I have a slag grinder here and I'm going to be changing the first head abrasive belt to a more aggressive grit. First thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the quarter turn quick disconnect. This is pretty standard on all of our machines, it doesn't matter if it's metal or wood. Same strategy here. But we go ahead and remove that. We can come up here, have a pneumatic switch tension to detension the belt. Go ahead and pull the abrasive belt off. And then with the new abrasive belt, go ahead and repeat the process. Typically I'll go ahead and put the abrasive belt on the idler roll up first for a guide. Pretty simple. Takes about 30 seconds to go ahead and change an abrasive belt. And then obviously all of our heads do have an adjustment, so we can go ahead and adjust for the different abrasive belt grits. And that will conclude part 2 of our video series, preventative maintenance and most frequently asked questions. For more information, please visit us at timesaversinc.com. Thank you.